Hi friends, I'm Tilak. You're watching Tech May Be Unique, and today we're just going to see how to insert a area chart on your Canva sheets on your computer. And if you're new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So how to insert a area chart on your Canva sheets on your computer, I'm just going to show in this video. For that, first of all, you just need to select the data you just need to insert as an area chart. Then you have the option on the chart on the side. If you can't find here, you just click on the quick action button and just search for chart. Just go to the chart first, and here you have all other more charts. You just need to select the chart you just needed. For an example, here I just need an area chart. Click on the see all option. So here you can find a lot of stock, like a stocked area or unstocked area like that. I just go with the stocked area. Now here you have the chart. You can just resize the chart first and just place here. And you have this customization option to show the label and also the legends data access. And here you can just select the options you just need, which line you just needed and which combination you just needed. You just need to select the data here, so you can just easily customize the color of the things like this. You can easily change. If you just need to change the state of the data, you can go to here and you can just change this, or you can just add more area chart. This is how you just insert the area chart on your Canva sheets on your computer. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet our next video with the super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech May Be Unique. Have a wonderful and also a beautiful day.